What's up, Sun Rays? Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy 2026. I know y'all were like, where's she at? Where's she at? I know. I actually was going to take a break because after I did all those videos for December, I was like, oh my goodness, I just need a break. And then I was like, no, they gonna want to see those new drops and stuff like that. I said, so I'm gonna go ahead and come on in January, because I was gonna take the whole month of January off, or at least a good couple weeks. But I said, now let's come on, get in here in January, hit the ground running, and I can worry about taking a break a little bit later. So yeah, guys, Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday, Christmas, New Year, and everything with family, friends, loved ones, whatever you did. I hope it was enjoyable. I hope it was memorable, and I hope it helped to set you up for 2026. Okay, alrighty, so no further ado, what I will say is my first video for 2026 actually was going to be one of the new drops. Okay, I wanted to, you know, hit the ground running, kick it off with a bang. Didn't quite work that way, right? I did try one of the new drops. Y'all see it, but y'all not gonna see it first, because I wanted to bring a positive video first, right? I left off 2025 with kind of a negative video. I wanted to bring a positive video first. So I decided not to drop that video yet and decided to do this one, which is just like a welcome to 2026. I wanted to kind of go over some things that I have planned for 2026, go over my last year goals and let y'all know if I met them or not, things like that. So let's go ahead and get into it. So if you looked at my 2025 goals and 2024 recap, then you will know that I set goals for 2025, and I actually hit probably half of them, which is better than I did in 2024. 2024, I had one goal. So 2025, one of my goals was to work out 3 days a week. I did that. Another one was to eat healthier. We have been doing that. I actually wanted to read more. I put a goal of 4 books that year. I did do that. I said I would try to read more if I could, but hey, I got the 4, so I'm happy. So I met that goal. I also said that I wanted to read through the Bible chronologically in a year. Started it, got really far, but did not complete that. So that is going to be on my goals for 2026. I'm going to start it over. I've already started it, and so I'm on a roll right now, okay? So I'm reading the Bible in chronological order in a year. That is my goal to do. I also set a goal to get my YouTube channel to 20,000. In that video, at one point I said 20,000, another point I said 15. So somewhere between 15 and 20,000. Needless to say, I didn't meet the goal. I'm only at 13,000 and something. So guess what? That is on my goal for 2026. I want to hit 20,000 if I can. So y'all help me out. Y'all tell people about the channel. Y'all share my videos. Do all the things so I can reach that goal of 20,000, okay? IG, I wanted to hit the goal of 1,000, didn't get that. I knew I probably wasn't gonna make that because I just don't do that much on Instagram. So I didn't meet that goal, but I did gain some Instagram followers, so I'm happy about that. So that is on my goal for 2026, to still try to make it to 1,000, okay? Also wanted 4 sponsorships in 2025, didn't hit that. I don't think I got any sponsorships in 2025, and I was like, dang, I at least had some in 2024. I ain't get none in 2025. That's okay. That's okay. It is what it is. 2025 was a hard year for a lot of people, so I'm not mad at it. So my goal for 2026 again is 4 sponsorships. I also said that I wanted to travel to take 2 major trips in 2025. Of course, we travel to see family and things like that, so I'm not calling that major. So we did end up going to the Dominican Republic for our anniversary, so I did do that. But I also said I wanted to go to Hawaii. We didn't do that. So we did do 1 major trip in 2025, unless I'm forgetting something. So again, that's going to be on 2026. So far we already do have our Hawaii trip scheduled for 2026. So I'm already halfway there for 2026. Also, I said that I wanted to gain 50 people in my membership. I didn't hit that goal, but that's okay. I have a few members. I'm happy with the members I have. They are very engaged, which I enjoy. Some of them are coming and going, and that's fine. I understand. I got to get my content more regular on the membership channel. So, you know, that is my goal for 2026, to be a lot more regular with my memberships and still get my membership count to 50. So that's still going to be a goal for 2026. So that's pretty much it for the goals that I had last year that I did or didn't meet, and the ones that I didn't meet, they have continued on for this year. Last year I also said that I wanted to try to get some merch and things like that. I did come up with a logo, so I do have a logo now, so that's good. And I started kind of working on merch a little bit, and I was showing my members a little bit of that. However, I did not launch anything for it to be sold. So for 2026, I do want to get a little bit deeper on the merch, maybe get something up. I don't care if it's 1 or 2 items, get something up for you guys to be able to purchase if you want to or whatever. So that's still a goal. I kind of was working on it real good and then kind of fell off of it, and it's tough because I am a perfectionist in a way where, especially if someone's going to pay money, I want to make it worth their money, if you see what I'm saying. So even with my membership, I'm not happy with it. I feel like it needs to be better for people who are paying, but I'm doing the best that I can do as I'm learning and growing and still trying to, you know, fit it into my life. You understand what I'm saying? So with the merch, it's a tangible item that is going to be sold. So I definitely want it to be up to par, up to standard. And although a few people that have seen it is like, oh, I like it. Oh yeah. For my eyes, I'm feeling like, oh no, because of this or because of this. And my husband says I'm too much of a perfectionist and it slows me down, and that can happen. If any of you are like me, who have that in them, and it stifles you from actually doing things, going places, do whatever, it just stifles you because you're waiting for it to be perfect. I have to get out of that. So that is a goal, to go ahead and get that merchandise out, and not stifle myself wanting it to be perfect, because I'm not perfect. I'm doing the best I can, and as I learn more, things will get better. Things will start to look even better, especially if the money starts coming in, then I can pay more for a little bit better quality and things like that. So anyway, so that's a goal, to go ahead and get that merchandise going. And then my other goal for 2026 is really to get this room finished. So a lot of you who are my members, who kind of went through the process of me moving my room, you know, have asked me, is it done? Is it done? And I actually haven't shown you anything since I think I asked if you wanted the room facing this way or another way, because I had to start making content. So I'm working with what I have right now, but I'm not happy with it. Again, the perfectionist in me is like, ugh, you know, whatever. I'm just trying to not spend money. I'm trying to use what I have here and make it look as good as it can for me to at least get content out for you guys. But there are a lot of things that I still want to do in here. So hopefully I will get it done and complete in 2026. All right, guys, so that's it for my goals of 2025, whether I met them or not, or my recap, and then goals for 2026. The other thing that I want to do for you guys is I do want to do a hashtag project use it up. So I've told you before that I have like a bin over here and I got some bins over there with products that need to be used up, and I've been dibbling and dabbling in them here and there, but they're not being used up as quickly as they need to be. Some of them are going to try to, you know, sell them on my car and everything too, but the ones that I need to go ahead and use up, I need to really do that. So in 2026, I'm definitely going to be bringing you the new drops. I'm definitely going to try to come up with new combos and things like that, but I'm also going to be trying to use up my product. With that being said, I know you guys are probably wondering what my hair is. So in part of that project, Use It Up, I use for this hair the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol and the Aunt Jackie's Curl Ball. So you guys know I love this with the ice curls, and so I only had a little bit of the Curl Boss left, so I said, well, let's see if it works with the Curl Boss, and it does. So this is this combo right here. And I did not film this combo because, like I said, I actually filmed one of the new drops and it didn't quite work out. So I had to turn around, redo my hair, and I wanted to use something that I felt pretty confident would work and something that would dry quickly so I could go ahead and get some videos out to y'all, because anytime you have a bad hair day, it kind of just puts you behind because now you can't film the videos that you wanted to film. So I use these two and I am pleasantly surprised. So the Curl Boss is gone. Guys, I actually did a side-by-side with the Curl Boss and the ice curls. So I have that video on my channel. I'll link it up in the cards, and you can decide which one you like better. I think they both looked good. I still like the ice curls a little bit better. I feel like it clumps my hair just a little bit more, and I feel like it has a little bit more shine than the Curl Boss, but they're very similar. And if you can't find the ice curls, if you got this, I think you probably would be happy with it. Didn't get any flaking. I have on, yeah, I have on my black shirt, didn't get any flaking or anything like that. So I'm happy. So this is Project Use It Up. This is pretty much gone. Well, yeah, this is gone. This is gone. And guys, this is down to here. I didn't buy any more of this. Over Black Friday, I didn't buy any more of this. And I hadn't planned on it anyway because this is pretty reasonably priced. So for Black Friday, I wanted to get like my favorites or some new drops, things that are a little bit more expensive that I wanted to use a discount on, where this I can pick it up anywhere, pretty much find it on sale. But now that I'm on a no buy, I can't even pick it up because I'm on a no buy. Guys, oh, I'm upset. I'm not upset. I mean, I need to be on a no buy. So I'm happy that I agreed to do the no buy when one of you suggested that I needed to. But I'm upset because it's like I'm finding out things that I am out of, I can't purchase now. And then there's some things that you guys are asking me about that I'm like, man, I kind of should have tried it, or things I've heard about that I'm like, man, I would like to try that. Now I can't get it. So there you go. So yeah, guys, I am on a no buy for 2026. I am open to trying new things. So if there's something that you want me to try, you're gonna have to send it to me for me to try it, because I can't purchase it, or you're gonna have to wait till Black Friday for me to maybe try to pick it up or something like that, but we'll see. So I just want to put that out there. I'm going to try to get through what I can, because again, if I'm going to even purchase anything Black Friday of 2026, I have to use up a lot of this stash and a lot of the stuff that's already used and opened that I don't want to go bad. So that's why we're going to do a Project Use It Up this year. And what I think I might do, like even on this one, I think I might get a marker and kind of just mark. I got this idea from another content creator. She wasn't doing it with hair products, she was doing it with other products, but kind of just mark when I use stuff to see where I left it off, and then kind of keep track of how much I've used. Let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in actually seeing how it's going down, the products in general. So let me know. if that's something you want to see or not. If you're not interested, then I won't do it. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I am not going to stay on here. I just wanted to come in, say Happy New Year, let y'all know that I am alive and well, and that I am excited about 2026, getting into some new combos, getting into some new products. I'm excited to hear how, you know, y'all's year is going, and, you know, share with me in the comments, things like that. Any goals y'all making for 2026, share it in the comment section. Let us know. Maybe you'll spark another goal for me or someone else that may be reading the comments. And guys, yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.